Korean Grammar for Beginners. Unit 1. Lesson 1. Korean Sentence. The sentence in Korean consists of either subject plus verb, subject plus object plus verb, subject plus verb, like
캐럴이 와요.
Carol comes,
캐럴이 자요.
Carol sleeps. Subject plus object plus verb, like
에릭이 사과를 먹어.
Eric eats an apple.
에릭이 도서관에서 책을 읽어요.
Eric reads a book in the library. Particles are attached to words in Korean sentences. For example, 이
가,
are used after the subject of the sentence
를
or are used after the object of the sentence. While the predicate of a Korean sentence always comes at the end of the sentence, the order of subjects, objects, and adverbs changes. However, the role of each of these parts can still be identified because of the particles attached to it. For example,
사과를 에릭이 먹어.
an apple Eric eats.
책을 도서관에서 에릭이 읽어요.
A book in the library Eric reads. When the subject can be clearly understood from the context, it can be omitted. For example,
에릭이 뭐 해요?
what is Eric doing?
사과를 먹어.
Eating an apple.
어디에 가요?
Where do you go?
학교에 가요.
Go to school.